In this video, we'll give you a brief overview of the R programming language. Hello, I'm Anand Thirumanur. I'm here to share some learnings from my 15 plus years of industry experience in the data world. Did someone send you this course? Please feel free to thank them for a fully free data science course. In this channel, we'll introduce a comprehensive list of tasks a data scientist needs to perform and will be providing hands-on training on the programming languages. Everything here is for free. We also help with placement assistance for a small fee. After our last video on Python, where we discussed its wide adoption, you might be wondering, why on earth you should consider learning any other language? Well, according to the results of the same 2019 survey that I quoted earlier from Kaggle, learning up to 3 languages can increase your salary. And R has a lot to offer you. Like Python, R is free. Because this is a free software project, you can use the language in the same way you contribute to open source. It allows for public collaboration and private and commercial use. Plus, R is another language supported by a wide global community of people passionate about making it possible to use the language to solve big problems. Who is R for? It is most often used by statisticians, mathematicians, and data miners for developing statistical software, graphing, and data analysis. The language's array-oriented syntax makes it easier to translate from math to code, especially for someone with no or minimal programming background. According to Kaggle's Data Science and Machine Learning Survey, most folks learn R when they're a few years into their data science career, but it remains a welcoming language to those who don't have a software programming background. R is popular in academia, but many companies have now adopted R as a part of their data science environment. Facebook, for instance, makes heavy use of R for social network analytics. It uses R for gaining insights about the behavior of the users and establishes relationships between them. Airbnb utilizes R for its various day-to-day operations. They use the dplyr package for slicing and dicing the data. It also makes use of the graphical package ggplot2 for visualizing the data. Furthermore, it makes use of the PWR package for various experimentations and statistical tests. Uber makes use of the R package Shiny for accessing its charting components. Shiny is an interactive web application that is built with R for embedding interactive visual graphics. At Google, R is a popular choice for performing many analytical operations. The Google Flu Trends project makes use of the R to analyze trends and patterns in searches related to flu. Furthermore, Google's Prediction API makes use of R for analyzing the historical data and makes future predictions. ANZ is one of the largest banks in Australia. It makes use of the R package for credit risk analytics, which involves predicting loan defaults based on transactions and credit score of the customers. Novartis is a major pharmaceutical corporation that relies on R for clinical data analysis for the FDA submissions. IBM is one of the major investors in R. It recently joined the R consortium. IBM also utilizes R for developing various analytical solutions. It has used R in IBM Watson, an open computing platform. Furthermore, IBM supports R missions and helps the community grow through some serious contributions. Back to why you should learn R. R has become the world's largest repository of statistical knowledge. As of 2018, R has more than 15,000 publicly released packages, making it possible to conduct complex exploratory data analysis. R integrates well with other computer languages such as C++, Java, C Sharp, .NET, and Python. Common mathematical operations such as matrix multiplication work straight out of the box. R has stronger object-oriented programming facilities than most statistical computing languages. R is famous for its graphical libraries that allow the users to delineate aesthetic graphs and make them intractable for the users. R is most famous for its visualization library ggplot2. It provides aesthetic set of graphics that are also interactive. ggplot2 comes with many extensions that increase the usability and experience. tidyr is an R package that allows you to clean and organize your data. tidyr treats the data through the following two properties. Every column is treated as a variable, every row is an observation. Using tidyr, you can use three main functions: gather, spread, separate to organize your data into rows and columns. Perhaps the most important R library, tplyr, allows you to organize, manage, and wrangle data. An important feature of this package is that it uses a declarative syntax that is easy to remember. tplyr facilitates various operations such as select, modify, filter, mutate, etc. Another important ability of R is to interface with NoSQL databases and analyze unstructured data. This is very useful in data science applications where a pool of data has to be analyzed. With R, data scientists can apply machine learning algorithms to gain insights about future events. There are various packages like rpart, caret, random forest, and nnet. R provides various important packages for data wrangling like tplyr, purrr, readxl, Google Sheets, Data Pasta, JSONLite, tidyquant, tidyr, etc. Thank you for hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. The next video will introduce you to SQL. We are happy to have you with us as you start your data science journey. If you have any trouble with any of the course materials, please don't hesitate to contact us.